Thinking about MBBS in Nepal for 2026. In this video, we are covering everything you need to know from eligibility, admission process to top medical colleges, budget, hostel life, food and career opportunities after graduation. First of all, one of the biggest questions students ask is, does MBBS in Nepal follow NMC guidelines? Yes, it does. Many medical colleges in Nepal are recognized and followed the required NMC norms, making them a great option for MBBS for Indian students. Now let's talk about eligibility for MBBS admission in Nepal. NEET qualification is mandatory. You must qualify in the current year NEET exam. Even the reserve category students usually need to meet the general category qualifying criteria. Minimum 50% aggregate in PCB is in class 12 is required. Now coming to the admission process. The process in Nepal is slightly different from other countries. You first reserve your seat, and the earlier you apply, the higher your chances of getting scholarship. After seat reservation, admission letter is issued. The first installment is paid directly to the college where MEC registration process is completed. And then physical counseling is done in Kathmandu, where it is mandatory and our team is present on every step to guide you. The form filling and during the counseling process, the counseling session in Kathmandu, we are personally present there. Then final allotment letter is confirmed. Now let's discuss the budget. The total cost for MBBS in Nepal generally starts from around 55 lakhs and can go up to 75 lakhs depending on the college. This usually includes tuition fees and hostel charges. I repeat, hostel charges are included in this fee. Food and living expenses, university registration, exam fees, miscellaneous charges. A good medical college in Nepal usually falls in the 60 to 65 lakh range with scholarship. Now the most important part, choosing the right college. Nepal mainly has two major university systems. Kathmandu University, Tribhuvan University. Kathmandu University is private while Tribhuvan University is government affiliated. Both have reputed colleges under them. Some popular medical colleges include some of the top options in Nepal are Nepal Medical College, Kathmandu Medical College, Virat Medical College, BNC Medical College, Manipal College of Medical Science, Lumbini Medical College, KIST Medical College. Let's quickly understand a few top options. Nepal Medical College, located in Kathmandu Valley, offers excellent patient flow and strong clinical exposure, and everything is available in Nepal Medical College. The hostel and academic block is in one campus. Second, there is Kathmandu Medical College, which is highly preferred among Nepalese students because of its advanced departments, experienced faculty. Next, it is Virat Medical College, is one of the most demanding colleges among the Indian students due to its strong patient flow and exposure to the clinical research facilities, and FMG passing ratio is excellent of this medical college. Next on our list we have BNC Medical College, which is also known for heavy OPD exposure and research-based learning. Manipal College of Medical Science in Pokhara offers quality education and good infrastructure, although the clinical exposure is comparatively lower than the Kathmandu-based colleges. If you are targeting MBBS in Nepal, try to score 180 plus in NEET for safer chances, which is very important. The NEET score is absolutely important to have a seat in Nepal. You have a dream for MBBS in foreign land, then Nepal is an excellent option. The good things about MBBS in Nepal are no major language barrier, Indian food is easily available, hostel facilities are decent in most of the areas, lifestyle is comfortable for Indian students, FMGE exam passing ratio is excellent as compared to the other countries. So if you are planning MBBS in Nepal for 2026 and want proper guidance regarding colleges, budget, cutoff, scholarship, counseling process, make sure proper research is done before you apply. And for research, you need expert. For expert guidance, contact College Historian.